Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DEXE. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, the price line is rejected and testing the key support zone, and we will also watch this breakdown from the symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my last trade setup of DEXE that I shared for my members in the month of September 2022 on 3rd of September, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And before that, I also shared a harmonic Gartley pattern with my members on this candlestick in the month of July 2022. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, and you can see our buying zone was starting from 1436 and goes to 1290, and our sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move for my members starts from point 0.0001641 and goes to 0.0001859 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line from this potential reversal zone started a very powerful reversal move up to 0.0002365. That was, by the way, more than 70% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, I shared recently this idea in the month of September on 3rd of September, and that was a cipher move. You can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was just entered the buying zone of this cipher pattern, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started another very nice reversal move, and this time it was more than 25% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then this is the folding wedge pattern that I have been showing you in my previous every video. And I've been telling you that we need to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance in order to start a powerful reversal or long-term move to the upside from here. You can see we have broken out the resistance, and we had a nice pump from this low to this high. That was, by the way, more than 120%. And after this breakout, the price line could not break out this strong resistance of $4.80. By the way, from $4.80 to $5.65 can be a very strong resistance zone. And you can see previously this level has been breaking as a strong resistance here back in the month of January 2021, and here in May 2021 it was breaking as a support. When we dropped down here, we had a nice bounce, and after the breakdown it was breaking as a resistance. You can see the price line moved up and rejected by this level, and after that, after breaking out this level in the month of July 2021, we had a nice pump, and after this drop, you can see we have a touch point here, we had another bounce, and finally we broke it down here. It was breaking as a very nice support here for several months, but could not save this support, and we broke it down, and now it has again flipped into a strong resistance. We got rejected here, we got another rejection, and this is the most recent rejection we are having here. Now this key support zone is also very important. You can see we tested the support here, we tested the support here, and now recently we have again tested this support here as well. We had a long spike to the downside but did not break it down so far. This support zone starts from $2.60 and goes to $2.30. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have a bit critical situation because we have broken down the support of the symmetrical triangle. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, that can be here approximately at $1.42, but you can see due to this long-term support of $2.30, the price line could not move more down. We were watching the support here. You can see on this weekly time frame chart, this is a quite long-term support, and the price line has moved above the support once again. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance, it will start a recovery rally from here, and it may, if it will break out the resistance, then we can expect the target to the upside here at $6.88. Now you can see this, the previous support of the triangle is working as a strong resistance for the price line. We got rejection here in the previous candlestick, and therefore we need to break it out. Once we will be able to break it out, then price line may also break out this resistance of the triangle as well. And by the way, the final target that is still due is here at the top of the wedge after this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. That is here approximately at $25 to $26. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.